So how to open up a Halifax bank account online? So to open up a Halifax bank account, it's very simple to do, and you can usually complete all the steps within a few minutes. So to open up a Halifax bank account, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download the Halifax app. So I'll leave a link below in the description for both Apple and Android. Then once you've downloaded the Halifax app, you'll come to this page here and you'll want to click on open an account at the bottom. And then once you've done that, you just want to click on apply for a current account. Then from there, you'll be given a bit on data consent, so you can change the settings if you wish to. Then once you've done that, you'll be given the option to turn on notifications, so you can go ahead and turn them on if you wish to as well. And then first question, do you have a Halifax account, credit card, mortgage or loan already with Halifax? So because we're a new customer, we're going to say no. Then once you've done that, you'll just need to clarify what type of account you want. So for the example of this video, we're going to say day-to-day spending account. But if any of the other options apply to you, you can go ahead and select them instead. Then for the next question, will you add money to this account regularly? So again, for the example of this video, we're going to say yes. And there we go, that's the first step out of the way. So we're going to move on to the second step now, which is confirming your ID. So for this next step, you're going to need to get some ID ready, whether if that's a driver's license or a passport. So for the example of this video, we're going to say passport. And then from there, you'll be asked, can they use biometrics to confirm your ID? And then once you've done that, you'll then just need to take a photo of your passport. And then once you've taken a photo of your passport, it should confirm your full name right here that they've taken from your passport photo. So it makes it nice and easy for you. And then if the name matches, you can go ahead and select yes. And then from there, obviously because we chose passport, we're just going to need to scan the chip with your phone. And likewise, if you chose a driver's license, you'll probably also be asked to take a photo of the back as well. Then once your ID is confirmed, you'll then need to go ahead and take a selfie to make sure that your ID matches. And then once your selfie is confirmed, you've successfully got through the ID section, and you can now move on to the third step, which is personal details. So firstly, just confirm your gender, and then you'll need to confirm your title. And then once you've done that, you'll just need to confirm which country you were born in. So for the example of this video, we're going to say the UK. And then for the next step, you'll need to confirm your nationality. So again, we're going to say the UK. Then once you've done that, you just need to enter your UK mobile number along with your email address. Then once you've entered your email, click next. And then on the next step, you'll need to enter your address. So to make it nice and easy for you, you can go ahead and say I'm home right now if you are, and it will then give you the option to pick your address from your location. But again, if you're not at home, you can say I'm not at home and you can just enter it manually. Then once you've entered your address, you'll just be asked to confirm if it's right. And if it is, select yes, it's right. And there we go, that's step 3 complete, which means we can now move on to step 4, which is your finances. So first step, you'll just need to confirm what you do for a living. So that could be full-time employment, part-time employment, self-employed, full-time education, etc. And then on the next slide, you'll need to confirm what type of work you do. So you'll just want to go ahead and pick from the list. So because we picked self-employed, it will then ask us what our business is, and if you also picked fully employed, it'll ask for your employer. And then once you've done that, you'll need to confirm when you started your job. And then once you've done that, you'll then need to enter your average monthly income. Then once you've entered your income, you'll just need to enter your savings. Then once you've entered your savings, you'll then just need to confirm your tax residency. So again, for the example of this video, we're going to say the UK. Then once you've entered your tax residency, you'll then be asked if you have a partner or spouse. And then on the next slide, You'll just need to confirm your living arrangements and how much you roughly spent on a mortgage or rent. Then once you've confirmed living arrangements, you'll then be asked how much you pay in childcare, tuition, or maintenance. Then once you've done that, you just need to confirm when you moved in. And then from there, that's the fourth section complete. So we can move on to the last one, which is about your account. Then on the next slide, you'll be asked about how you want to be contacted. And then you'll be asked if you need any additional support. And then once you've done that, you'll be asked if you wish to use a switch service. So I won't touch too much on that in this video, but it's essentially where if you bank with another bank and you want to switch over, there usually is an incentive offer for doing so. And then on the next slide, you'll then be asked what type of Halifax account you want. So for the example of this video, we're just going to choose a free current account, but there are paid options if you prefer to go more premium. And then once you've selected the account you want, just give it all a read. And if you're happy, you can select at the bottom. And then again, you'll be given some terms and conditions. So give it a read. And if you agree, click agree. And then once you've done that, we're nearly done. You'll just need to choose a username and a password. Then once you've done that, you'll again just scroll to the bottom and click agree. Then from there, you'll just need to wait for your application to be checked. And if everything's good, you'll be given this screen here with your new bank details saying you're all done. So you can go ahead and sign in. And once you've signed in, you'll be given your new Halifax dashboard. And it is as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.